Most real estate investors are building wealth completely backwards. And the crazy part is not because they're not working hard. It's not because they don't understand real estate. It's because they started in the wrong place. If you're a real estate investor that ever said, I'm asset rich, but I'm cash poor, that's not a real estate problem. That's a sequence problem. And in this video, I'm going to show you the common ways real estate investors are buying properties today. The key components almost nobody understands before they invest, and the exact sequence we use inside of our community to build both cash flow and liquidity at the same time. Because once you fix this, everything will change like it did for me. And I'm only a few years in. But before we get into it, my name is Elridge. I'm a private lender based in New Orleans, Louisiana, and I've been in real estate for over 11 years. And I funded deals for investors buying, fixing, flipping, and holding properties. But just a few short years ago, my partner and I realized something. Not only beginner investors were stuck, even experienced investors were stuck. They had properties, they had equity, but they didn't have control of their money and had very little liquidity. And once we changed the sequence we were using, that's when we started to actually feel like we were getting ahead. I know some people could relate because before we were working hard, but just being busy, but not actually getting ahead in life. Here's a few things I started noticing. Most investors are scattered. They're jumping from deal to deal, strategy to strategy, trying wholesaling, rentals, flips, maybe even stocks or crypto. But there's no system tying it all together. And because of that, wealth building feels complicated. I know this because Anitra and I look at applications and financials every day and from our own experience. Most investors don't have a system. They focus only on the asset, but ignore the capital. There are three parts to every deal. There's the capital structure, and the asset. If you only focus on the asset and not the capital and the capital structure, you will be another illiquid real estate investor. I know that sounds harsh, but it is the truth. And that's where the problem is. Let's break this down. Here are the four most common ways real estate investors are buying property today. Number one, saving for the down payment. You save money, put it into a deal, maybe fix it up, then refinance it into a long-term loan. Number two, equity partners. You find a deal, bring in someone else's money. Now you own the property, but you split the equity. Number three, gap funding. You borrow the down payment, finance the rest. Now you keep your equity, but increase your risk because you have more debt, most likely high interest debt because gap funding is expensive. Number four, seller financing. You negotiate terms directly with the seller. Sometimes no money out of pocket. None of these strategies are wrong, but all of them have one thing in common. They help you build assets, but they don't help you build liquidity, control, or capital structure at the same time. And that's why so many investors end up stuck. You have to understand this. There are two sides to wealth building. Capital, your money system. Assets, your investments. Most real estate investors skip straight to assets. But what I learned is if you start with the wrong side first, you block and tie up your money. Buying real estate is the right asset. And I personally think everyone should hold real estate. But if you buy the right asset in the wrong sequence, it would actually hold your capital hostage. I want you to understand that, so I will say it again. Buying the right asset in the wrong sequence will hold your capital hostage. And that's exactly what happens when you jump straight into real estate without considering capital and capital structure. So instead of asking, what's the best real estate strategy, you should be asking, what is the best place to start before real estate? Let's break it down. Out of all of the investment options out there, here are a few. You have wholesaling, flips, rentals, stocks, crypto, lending, index funds, cash value life insurance. Now ask yourself, out of all of these investments, which one is liquid, where you can access the money in 24 to 48 hours? Which one gives you control? Which one is low risk? Which one gives you a peace of mind? Pause and think about that and let me know in the comments. The reality is only a few strategies check all those boxes. And for us at Vertical Capital, the starting point is cash value life insurance and buying index funds through our M1 brokerage account. because they both give you liquidity, control, safety, and growth. Now let's go back to investor number one, the one saving for a down payment. What if, instead of saving money in a checking account, you store that money in a compounding interest environment, like an IUL policy or a brokerage account tracking the S&P 500. Now your money is growing, but here's the key. You don't spend it when you want to buy the rental property, you leverage it. So now your down payment is still compounding and you use it to buy the property. That's a completely different outcome. Now you're building capital and assets at the same time. This is where everything starts to come together. There are three main components to building wealth the right way. You have your capital, and this is your fuel. This is money coming out of your pocket. This is what determines how fast you grow, how many deals you could do, how much control you have, and also when you hit financial freedom. Number two, the strategy. The order matters. Strategies are just like tools. Real estate is a tool, stocks are a tool, but the order you use them, that's what determines your outcome. Two good strategies used in the wrong order can still slow you down. Buying real estate with no money down is what we all have been sold. I want you to buy real estate with having money. Number three, portfolio. And this is the end goal. This is what your personal end goal is. It can be building rental portfolios, lending portfolios, buying business, any portfolio. But this should come after you built your capital system, not before. Here's what most investors do. They start with real estate, then they try to figure out cash flow later. But what happens? Their money gets locked into deals, their liquidity disappears, they can't move fast, they miss opportunities, and now they're stuck saying, I have equity, but I don't have access to cash. That's not success. That's being trapped in your own portfolio. Now imagine this. You build your capital system first. Inside our community, we call it our banking system. Inside our banking system, we focus on the capital and the capital structure. We can give ourselves a down payment that don't have any debt tied to it. We can give ourselves any amortization schedule because we control the capital. So you create a banking system where your money is liquid, your money is growing, your money is accessible. Then you start buying real estate. Now every deal becomes easier. Now you can fund down payments faster, recycle your money, scale without stress. My brother Russell is the perfect example of this. He didn't start with real estate. He started with building his banking system first. It took a little over 2 years to capitalize his banking system. Now he acquired 6 units and he's building 2 more. Not because he found better deals, but because he had a better capital structure. He's now at the point where he has so much capital flowing through his system that he could fund deals every 3 to 4 months if he wanted to, and simultaneously becoming more liquid. That's the difference. So if you take anything from this video, take this. Wealth is not built by chasing deals. Wealth is built by designing a system where capital flows, strategies are used in order, assets are acquired intentionally. Because once you understand the system, you stop chasing and you start building with control and structure. If you want to learn how to build your own banking system and actually apply this sequence step by step, that's exactly what we share inside our community. Go ahead and join with the link below and I'll show you how to set this up for yourself. And if this video helped you, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.